The Worth UVCURE Sealant Headlight Restoration Kit will service one part of polycarbonate headlights. This technology has been lab tested under SAE protocols to prove longevity and comes with a limited lifetime written warranty.
The sealant is cured either by natural, direct sunlight, or the Worth LED UV curing wand. Step 1. Place painter's masking tape around the perimeters of the headlight to protect paint and chrome from the sanding process. Step 2. Start by taking the provided 600 grit adhesive backed sanding square and adhere to the flat side of the sanding block. Wet down the headlight and begin sanding to remove the damaged laminate or any remaining clear coat that may still be present. The headlight will appear dull and faded after the sanding step prior to the application of the sealant. Be sure to rinse all the residue from the lens after the sanding step. Step 3. Take one of the provided lint-free towels and thoroughly dry the lens surface and all of the surrounding areas of the light. Step 4. Prior to application of sealant, ensure that masking tape is in place, covering any painted surfaces and placing masking film paper over painted areas around the headlight to protect from overspray. Step 5. Begin application of the sealant on the outer edge of the headlight on the paper, moving from side to side, finishing on the outside edges of the paper. Use a 50% overlap on the previous spray line and finish on tape paper at the bottom to ensure full coverage. Step 6. After application, examine lens for smoothness. Step 7. Curing the sealant. The Worth LED curing wand will cure the sealant in 2 to 4 minutes per headlight. Exposure of the lens to direct sunlight will continue to cure until maximum hardness.